Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to reset your Explore page on Instagram. And for this we go right in the bottom to our profile and tap on the three lines right in the top. And then from there scroll down to suggested content. Then tap on interested, and if you have something standing just right here, please make sure that you remove this. Then we go back and go to not interested, and if you have something standing here, then tap on select. Tap on the picture and tap on remove. Alright, if you go back and we go to sensitive content, make sure that you tap on less, confirm, and then go back. Alright, these are all the options that you need to do by content preferences to see or to delete your interest in content on the Explore page. Now, if you will refresh this page, you will see a lot of new things. And if you don't like a picture, then you can simply tap on that picture, tap on the three dots, and then tap on not interested. So you won't get those posts again. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And if you have any questions, please comment them below. Then for now, I want to say one thing, and that is thanks for watching.